Okay, welcome back everybody. Well, as we have right about 2 minutes left in the cash session here Friday afternoon, you'll probably be getting this video Sunday morning. Where you can see where you've actually had our now first bar close down below that key 362 area, and it's also being done with roughly a reverse inventory retracement bar here. That's right about 40% or so off the high. So a couple things that we're looking at here now going into next week. This is such a key level. I warned you about it way back over here. Recall in the video from the 16th, go back and look at that if we broke below that level, this would be our next target. Well, if this now becomes resistance here, there's some targets pretty far down below here that we could get to. There's a lot of intermediate supports in here, but a major one's down here around that 324.5 area roughly. So there's certainly opportunities for much more selling if we don't go ahead and reverse course pretty quickly. So one of the things I'm going to be watching for going into early next week, can we immediately reverse this and get back up above this high? That would actually bode very well in the short term for some moves back into the falling resistance here. I might actually be looking at from some long side intraday trading opportunities at that point. But right now, as I've said, from a long side perspective, the real main focus here would be like on the QQQs. I've talked to you about the QQQs. You'll actually see right now as we're looking here going into the close of the session, everything's just blood red here. It has been now for a while. It's all sell, sell, sell on the ITP indicators. But as we go back and look at the Q, I sound like a broken record, gang, I know. And the real estate market, again, I feel like a broken record. But the thing is, look what's been happening, right? It's been the right side of things. And we showed you how to identify these with the wealth scanner inside of wealth charts. And boy, has it really gone up here. Even DRV, which is pulling back here on Friday into the close, which is just coming on now, it had a little bit of a pullback, but it's had a really nice run. And you recall, I've been talking about the plight of the real estate market and my concerns about the big pullback on it since December of last year when we were doing the ITP classes with you. So again, I feel like a broken record, but it's the right record to play. So what's happening here is we're continuing to be strong in the reverse real estate ETF here, the inverse ETF, and SQQ. So what that does, that goes up when the market's going down. And we've talked to you about that. We've talked about like trades that Ted has done with those. I've focused on those. For those of you that are only wanting to go or can go long, that's one of those opportunities out there where you can benefit from a falling market if you can only go long. So those inverse ETFs, very powerful. We've talked about those multiple times. So with that, kind of bringing it full circle, all these strategies that I've been teaching you here, like reverse inventory retracement bars, classic inventory retracement bars, over and over again. You can see them everywhere. Pick a 5-minute chart. Pick a 1-minute chart, right? Look at right into the close here today. Reverse inventory retracement bar, reverse inventory retracement bar, over and over again. Classic inventory retracement bar. You can see them over and over and over again. And of course, the really powerful tools inside of wealth charts here, just firing off like the champion trend pack, firing off the sell zone signals and just letting loose from there. So the point with all this is that we continue to be in a rough place. Everything's just the sell side here. If we can get back above this high here around 366 on the SPY, that would be exciting for maybe some short-term longs back into falling resistance. But if we stay down and have another close below here going into Monday, and then if we have any sort of pullback here at all, and then this starts to roll back down, that would not be a good thing to see at all. And I will try to go ahead and do some update videos for you, but as we are now coming into the big Wealth 365 Summit where I can actually look at these things with you live, look at them with you in the evenings. I mean, what a great time. So this is great timing for all the excitement in the market to go ahead and be able to spend the week together. I'm going to be doing multiple events during the daytime and the evening here at the Wealth 365 Summit here in October, because Octobers are always big months, and I can't wait to go ahead and share the excitement with you live and in person. So if you're not already registered for Wealth 365, go to joinwealth365.com, joinwealth365.com. Just fill out your information real quick there. Obviously, it's free to attend, and I will look forward to going ahead and seeing you there because I want to give you live updated information during the day, in the evenings. It'll be a great time to go ahead and be focusing on these strategies, learning these strategies more, asking me questions and everything else. So, and I just cannot look forward to going ahead and seeing you there. And then I know several of you I'll be seeing the week later, actually over in Dallas, for all of you that got the special invite for that. So, really exciting times, gang. going. Love to go and be involved with this market, and I want to go ahead and share a lot of the updates that I'm seeing here in real time with the summit. So I don't know how many videos I'll be able to do next week in advance of the summit. I'll see if I can get Zia and the gang to maybe do some, but if nothing else, make sure you sign up here. Join wealth365.com so you can be part of the big week-long summit with 60 plus speakers and a lot of great information. You're going to love that. Okay, so take care, everyone. Have a great weekend, and I will see you here very soon, one way or the other, in nightly videos or at the upcoming summit. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.